Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a text zoom in effect using keyframes in the CapCut Mobile. So in here, first you can just use any background that you want and then just write your text like this. You can write your text with a different starting point. And after that, here I'm going to add animation. Here I'm going to add the throw out animation, but you can always use any animations that you like. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, for the last one, and after you add the animation, you can just export the project. Click on export and open it in a new project later. Okay, so here is the text that I exported before. So what you need to do is just add keyframes every time the word show up. So I'm going to add here, then in here, and here. Okay, so what you need to do is zoom it in the way you like. Like this. So the result will go like this. There will be zoom in and out, so you can zoom it in as you like. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.